Good morning. Today you're going to make a snow volcano. So you're going to need the following materials. You're going to need baking soda, soap, like dish soap. You're going to need some vinegar, okay, and a small container, okay? Now what I did is I had Mr. Forbes very carefully cut off the top of the water bottle, and you just have to be very careful because these edges could be a little sharp, okay? So you can see I already put it in. I suggest putting it in before you go outside. You need 2 tablespoons of baking soda and then just 1 spoonful, not as much as this, of the dish soap. I do not have food coloring, but I know a lot of you like to make slime. So I'm assuming that you have food coloring. Then what we're going to do is we're going to head outside. Take my snow volcano, take this, and head outside. All right. So it's still snowing because I'm doing this on Tuesday. Forgive my little thing. And you can see we have somebody out here plowing. I did not get nearly as much snow as you all did. Okay. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my container in the snow. Okay. And I'm going to build up some snow around it. I suggest wearing gloves when you do this. All right. Okay. I'm going to build up your container around your container, okay? Sorry. You want to make it so that you don't want to cover the top. There I have a volcano. This stuff inside is going to act like magma or lava. So I'm going to take my vinegar, okay? You need like 1/3 of a cup. And I'm just going to pour it inside and I'm going to step back and see what happens. Oh no! It didn't work. Oh, maybe it is. It's thinking about it. It's rising. Okay. The pressure is building. Oh, it's almost to the top. Is it going to go over? Yes. There you go. And when you do it, boys and girls, and you use your food coloring, I know a lot of you have that because you love to make slime, you'll be able to see your lava really move. It's really hard to see my lava moving because I don't have food coloring, so it's kind of coming up a bluish white. And that's how you make a snow volcano. Let me know if yours is more explosive than mine.